thing about uSamke akamsabi uMsamseleko, no wonder why she's calling him umfana. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know the result that has somebody. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support, guys. So yesterday, uSamke posted a mini video. Yeah, Keno Musamsaleko behind the scene. Utano Nestembo season 8. As you can see, they were busy doing a photo shoot. If there's one thing I will say, Usamke, guys, she's in charge. You can see on the video she's telling Musamsaleko what to do. A whole 50-year-old man. I guess one thing about Ama 2000, guys, the things that we do in the dark, Bona they do it in the light. There's no difference between Ama 90s and Ama 2000. Just say about Jaja because Bona they do things public. Another story, there's a lady on TikTok who was doing a videos of Tanones Tembo season 8. She was talking about a pregnancy Samke, guys. So under the comment section, there's someone who came out to say, when you're still talking about a pregnancy Samke, Tina, we know that it was Samke, she's pregnant for the second one. Guys, while we are busy celebrating for Samke's pregnant, it is alleged it was Samke, she's pregnant for the second one. Guys, this is Samke's second child. Hi guys, Samke busy, guys, it's all alleged because we don't know it is true. Remember, what's on the same season 8, guys, it's old stuff. It happened 1 year ago, so we don't know what is happening this year. We have to wait for Tembo season 9 to know if Samke really she was pregnant for the second one, guys. So those who are staying in Mzumbe, they are saying what's Samke ukona Mzumbe, guys. So there's also another video Samke once posted on her Instagram story. You can see behind the scene there was a yellow paint. We know that the yellow house belongs to them Seleko, guys. Ayiko indlo a yellow beside them Seleko, guys. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment.